Bill Cullifer here with the World Organization of Webmasters WOW and the WOW Technology Minute. I'm here with Professor Bibo White, Stanford Linear Accelerator Center, retired, at the San Francisco Bay Bridge, or the Oakland Bay Bridge in the world-famous Treasure Island Bay Area here in the San Francisco area. Bibo, good afternoon. Thank you for agreeing to this interview.
Thank you, Bill.
Bibo is with the Say Yes to Green initiative, and I'm here to ask Bibo two basic questions. One, why should people care about Say Yes to Green?
The answer I would have to that, Bill, is why not? The whole energy, availability of energy is perhaps one of the greatest problems that's facing mankind today. And green offers, I think, a very viable solution to dealing with how we're going to meet the energy needs of the present and the future.
Excellent. So, Bibo, why are you involved?
Well, I believe, quite frankly, that saying yes to green really is one of the true legacies that I can leave to my ancestors. Creating a world, I helped to create a world that really helps address some of the energy problems that my children, my grandchildren, my great-grandchildren, etc. are doomed to face. And so consequently, I see it as an investment in the future that I hope to be able to play a role in.
Excellent. Thank you, Bibo.